dad. He taught me everything I know.
4th of July.
We love him and we appreciate him very much.
All right, Chris, let's see you do your times tables. Maybe if you see it on tape, you'll figure out how to do it. Okay, go.
1 times 1 is actually 1.
Keep going.
2 times 2 is 2.
2 times 2 ain't no 2.
Yeah?
Cassie, go get my belt. I think I'm playing.
Yes.
No, it's not.
What is it?
It's 4.
9.
Deborah, turn off that camera.
He always was there for us and he provided for us.
Chris, I want you to try a hot dog. Come on, eat that hot dog. Eat that doggone hot dog. Don't make no sense why you don't like no hot dog. Eat it right now. All of it.
My dad taught me how to eat an orange.
Let me show you how to eat an orange. See, my friend Sambo showed me how to eat an orange. That's what makes it good. You know, you get all sticky. If you eat it just like this, just like, you won't get all the juice over you. First, you got to pull the top off like this. Like that. Then you got to suck the juice out. You peel the orange. You want some?
Yeah.
You want some?
No.
No.
I'll try it.
One time, I went to my friend Paul Whitehead's house. Him and Sambo was over there. And we was gonna make us something. And he put some white bread in a toaster. I never seen no toaster before because we were so poor we didn't have no toaster. And he put that in there and he said, "Me and Hodo's cooking." Excuse me.
Oh.
Want another one? One time Paul Whitehead came over my house and he said, "Hodo's the dumbest boy in class." And my dad just laughed and laughed. He had about 6 fingers.
6 fingers?
Yep. I used to grab his finger and bite it like this.
Hey. You couldn't do that because it's like it looks like it's sewed on here.
My dad taught me how to sing.
Hey, Deborah. I don't know why I love you. I don't know why I love you, but I love you, baby. Yes, I do. I don't know why. I don't know why, but I love you, baby. Yes, I do.
My dad taught me how to play sports.
Hey, Hodo, it's like 100 degrees out here. Why you wearing long sleeves?
Oh, don't worry about that.
All right, Chris.
What you know about that, huh? What you know about that? There! Come on, Chris, concentrate. Hit the doggone ball. Doggone it, Chris. Hit the doggone ball. Come on.
My dad taught me how to garden.
Look at this doggone garden. Look at all these weeds. We got the worst looking house in the yard. Look at this. Huh? What do you think about that? Go down and pick up all these weeds right now. Go. Pick these weeds. Get these weeds up. Look at all these. Y'all don't even care.
And my dad taught me how to be a good husband.
Come on. Don't you have any rhythm? Come on. Come on. Don't you feel that beat? Come on, Deborah. Come on. Oh, shuck it now, Cassie. Oh, there you go.
Happy Father's Day.
Cassie, cut that crazy coughing out. Go in there and get a doggone orange. Chris, did you get some olive oil? Go in there and get that cough syrup.
Do the dance I taught you this morning in the kitchen.